Hey guys, Andre from Bifuteki here with another idea or something that actually came to me a while ago that I started using that I'm willing to share with you guys now. It's the ability to actually do scoreboards from within Camtwist through Photoshop. Um, Something that I find really cool is the fact that it can actually take a PSD, and once you save the PSD, it will actually update it at whatever rate you set it to. Pretty much going to give you guys a rundown of how that works right now. Um, for the Windows counterparts, those guys have tons of applications that were created, especially in the fighting game community. I believe there's a couple. Jaxel, who runs 8-Way Run, he actually created a panel writer, which basically writes to a PNG image, and it basically writes to each particular file. So you basically have to break up your scoreboard into different types of files. So you have to have one with the name, one just for the scores, one for the location, and another one for some other stuff. I mean, while that's cool and stuff, it is a little tedious with stream control. You basically have full control over. You basically type in the names, the score, and things like that. And plus, it's Flash, so it has like some type of animation stuff. And if you know action script, you can actually dig in there and start doing stuff on your own. Um, with this method, there isn't really much. It just writes the however you present it in Photoshop is how it's gonna present in Camtwist. So however you save the PSD is basically just gonna show just what's on the PSD. So what we're gonna do is I'm basically going to I think I'm just gonna open up a video. I'm gonna go here, go to my Mac HDD, go to videos now, because that's me playing Destiny. Let's take this video. So we'll take this video and I'm gonna just throw it on in here, only because it has some type of action going on. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just have this loop. I'll turn the volume all the way down so that this way you don't hear anything. So I'm gonna dissolve that. So now, in order for me to get image like the image there, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up one of my previous scoreboards that I've had. So let me go in here, here. No, let's not use that one. Where's the next level one? Here we go. Next level. Okay, so what we could do is we can open it up in Photoshop, which it opens up in, and then we can pretty much, whatever, it's gonna say that I don't have a certain text, but I do. So let's go here and here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this PSD. In fact, let's make a new button first. Right click, edit. And what we're going to do is we're going to find image downloader. Okay, we're going to use image downloader. I'm going to say add. Okay, I'm going to scale it to size 2 because that means it's full screen. And we're going to set the refresh time to something lower than 1, because 1 for some reason doesn't refresh fast enough for me. I like to set it to mine's to 0.05. So basically it's always checking every whatever so seconds to make sure that there's something there. So what we'll do is we'll throw this here, okay? And just like that, it's there. Now, in order for me to show you this trick, I'm going to make this live, and I'm gonna open up a preview window. Okay, we're gonna get rid of this window. So I'm going to make this bigger while making this smaller. Okay, so we're going to make that like that, and we're going to put this here. So now you can see scoreboard here, you can see this here. Okay, now I think I don't have this text at all. In fact, hold on, let's make this a little bit bigger. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this out, and I'm going to make this pretty much non-existent for right now while I do this. And make this right. Alright, so we only need to see that. Bring that here, and then this here. Okay, now whatever font it is, I don't really care. score for right. It says I don't have Catameric, so I gotta pick a different font for all of these. Okay, so basically it's gonna go to that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick my other favorite font, which is Dinger. Dinger. Okay, go in here. MIE with this being Futura. And then this Futura. Alright. So if I want to change the name of the first player, let's say I want to make it one of my own players, so Bifu Spabrog. Spabrog, and he is going up against Spabrog. Who's your nemesis? Let's say Pie Smug. Alright. Okay. Score 0-0. Let's make sure that that's a 0. Yeah, of course it's not the right font size, but whatever, we don't care. Okay. So now, here's the interesting part. Once I go in here, I hit Control S, it saves. So once it saves, it basically updates automatically here. I need to change that to 0. Let's make this 5. Get out of here. Make this one a 5. And then we're going to save. Oh, wait. No. 0. Make the font size 5 points. Alright. So then we're going to save that. And just like that, you actually have a working scoreboard that can be updated on the fly pretty much instantaneously. So there's no need to refresh the image or put the image back in or having to worry about text boxes. Because something I've learned, the more things that you use in Camtwist, the more memory it actually takes. So it could be a little bit tedious either way. That's pretty much it for now. It pretty much works with any type of PSD, even if, I mean, that's going to be it for now, but, you know, I think this is pretty cool, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Again, this works with all PSDs, so if you have a lower third as well, which I have here as well, let's go to the studio, and I'm going to bring the commentary one in. So we'll get rid of that. We'll cut that out, and then we'll... Oh, wait. I did that wrong. Delete, because it's not going to show it right. Got to make a new button. Right-click, edit. It's got to be an image downloader. Image downloader, add this. Set it to 2. Again, like this one, I can set to 1 because... But for this, I'm going to set it to 0.5. So 0.5, and then we'll go here, take this, drag the commentary here, enter, and just like that, it's done. Alright, so I'm going to open up the commentary, just like I did, say no. So now, if I want to change the commentators, like this one, it doesn't matter. This one, you already know it's going to work, because I'm not lying to you guys, you know. You know that, right? I'll never lie to you guys. Alright, so there's the commentary bar. So what we're going to do is I'm going to change the names of this first commentator. So I'm going to say IFC Yipes. And I'll just delete that. Hit save. And just like that, it updates the image. Just like that, it updates the image, and as you can see, it's perfectly fine. Now, something that I like about doing this is because I have the ability to add drop shadows. I can use normal fonts that you won't see that will normally take up a lot of memory in a lot of those other apps that they have out there. and things like that. So for me, it works well because there isn't that much that we're really doing here. So with that being said, I'm pretty much done with this demo. If you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up with any of your questions. Andre at Bifuteki. No, sorry, wrong. Um, you can hit me up at Bifu Please, which is BIFUPLZ, um, at bifuteki.com. I rather get emails there because the other one is for other stuff. So again, send emails to bifuplease at bifuteki.com, and I will be sure to answer those questions. If you don't want to email me, you just want to ask in the comment section, knock yourself out, ask those questions in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. So once again, I'd like to say thank you for watching. Good night.